50% polyester, 50% plastic. Imported. Zipper closure. Hand wash only. Highly ventilated and articulated polymer construction for all-day comfort and protection. Enhanced fit and comfort through moisture wicking and highly breathable stretch fabric body. Removable back protector can be worn separately using included shoulder straps. Anatomic two-piece plastic chest plate provides coverage without restricting movement. Plastic shoulder and elbow coverage. Made from 43% polypropylene, 36% EVA, ethylene vinyl acetate, 8% nylon and 13% polyester. Anatomic high-impact two-piece plastic chestplate provides excellent coverage without restricting movement. Highly ventilated and articulated polymer construction for all-day comfort and protection. Enhanced fit and comfort through moisture wicking and highly breathable stretch fabric body. Removable back protector can be worn separately using included shoulder straps. High-impact plastic shoulder and elbow coverage. Center zipper for easy on and off elbow and shoulder protection. Meets or exceeds CE. EN 1621-1 Level 1 certification. Full back protection meets or exceeds CE. EN 1621-2 Level 1 certification. Divided chest protection meets or exceeds CE. prEN 1621-3, Level 1 certification Black. Top reviews from the United States. Confidence builder. New to BMX racing, this gives my son the confidence to go hard on the track. Crashing is inevitable, least this will help. He's 9 years old, 83 pounds, 58 inches tall. Fits perfectly. You want it snug so pads sit in the right position,